video we are going to look at the conditional loops. One of them is named while loop. So we can look at the while loop over here. So it starts with counter 0. Usually what happens, what when as long as the while condition, the condition within this particular thing is true, and we whatever are the statements that are beyond after the do, after the while, between the do and done, it will run for as long as the condition within this is true. Okay, so to be, when we are running the while loop in any programming language, we need to be very careful that this condition is met, and at certain point it actually becomes false, so that it comes out of the loop. If not, this will become an infinite loop, right? So here one more thing that you need to be very aware of, that the after the while, the square bracket, there has to be a space between uh, whatever you type in between these square brackets. If you have it very near to something like this will give you an error. And similarly, if you have something in between like this, it will give you an error. So it should better you always have a space between, and the condition should be whatever that's supposed to be there. And one more thing that we learned in previous earlier videos, if you have looked at it, uh, the operators, relational operators, have, we know that it is always the less than equal to, less than, less than equal to, not equal to, greater than, greater than or equal to, right? These are the six usually relational operators that runs. One more thing that you need to be aware of, this is the expression. You have to be very careful that it has to be expressed. This particular thing has to be expressed, is an expression that needs to be taken care of. So after the statement that goes in between, inside of that is regular syntactical language that you need to know. Bone